Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to tell you how to enable animations of phone. If you're using a Vivo phone and you have disabled animations, so let's see how can you enable it. For this, you must have to go for settings. In settings, just look for system or system management and then look for developer options. If your developer options are disabled, so you must have to enable developer options. Here you can see here are no any option developer. You just have to go back and then go for about phone, then system and software and information, and then get build number. You must have to tab on it for 7 times. So let's show this. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, and then enter your phone password. And after that you have to go back system management, and here look for developer options, select it, and here you just have to scroll down and look for drawing section. Here's the drawing section. Here you will get all the animation scale animation settings. You must have to select it and then select animation scale as 1x, and just select these three, and after that your animations will be enabled like this. So that's how you can easily manage or enable your system animations. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.